SUMITOMO is showcasing two new asphalt pavers at this year's Bauma. The HA60 C11 is tracked and the HA60 W8 is wheeled.
Our market share in Japan domestic is over 70%. So because for both models, we can provide 6-meter paver width, and also transportation width is less than 2.5 meters without any additional work. So that is a kind of our first priority sales point. Operator can view 270 degrees C at the operator seat to avoid any interfere or accident. That is one of the sales points of our product. We are enjoying market share in Japan and Southeast Asia and also the China market. So now we start introducing our product, especially in the European market. We'd like to appeal our product performance, not only the paver width, but also the transportation wide or some other sales point at this show.